Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language of your Instagram app. It will bring you to the settings, but it's just a little bit easier to find it here. So go to the settings and activity, and if you scroll down you'll be able to see the language area, and it's going to bring me to settings. As you can see, select continue, go to preferred language here and select your preferred language. For instance, I'm just going to choose Indonesian, and let's go back to Instagram, and it's going to kind of restart. And as you can see, now it is in Indonesian. To change it, just go back to settings and select English. It will reset though. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.